Alright y'all, so this is going to be part 2 of the furnace filters video. This is the 12 MERV 10 electrostatic filter. See? And I got an 8-inch. I got an 8-inch 90 going into there. Alright, now let's do this next one. This is a MERV 11. This one definitely is more restrictive than that other filter. And you hear that blower motor ramping up, speeding up, because I can feel the air going across that, but this filter is restrictive. And let me see if I can pull this one out. Alright, so I got that one out. It was really wedged in there. But that was a MERV, what did I say? It was a MERV 11 filter. Oh, my ductwork is coming apart. Alright, so that was a MERV 11. This is a MERV 12 filter. Okay. Now there's an arrow on here somewhere, right here, that shows which way it has to go. And so that's a MERV 12. And actually, that one I can feel it's sucking, moving more air than this one. Now, on these filters there are numbers, the water column resistance and the CFMs, which I'm going to talk about in another video. But this one here actually is moving, even though it's a higher MERV rating. It seems to be moving a little bit more, less restrictive. It probably is more restrictive, but the resistance of it doesn't seem to be slowing the air down too much. I'm gonna have to turn it off to get a filter out of there. But that's about it on furnace filters. Alright. Thank you for watching.